Okay, that's we are online, I think. Yes.
Start your engines for Sony Computer Entertainment America production. Fasten your seatbelts for another Naughty Dog creation.
Yeah, just a quick stream. Just testing. Maybe tomorrow or today I will stream more. I don't know. But it's good back in streaming. Okay. Let's see if the chat's working. Yeah, that's working. Crash Bandicoot. Dr. New Cortex. Tiny Tiger. Coco Bandicoot. Engine. Jingodile. Polar. Pura. Crash. Let's go with Crash. Let's go. Right. Dum. Loading.
Welcome to the Adventure Arena. You can travel around this area and practice your driving skills. The dots and stars on the map represent warp pads, which lead to races. When they flash, it signifies they are open to play. To access a racetrack, drive onto a warp pad that has an active warp vortex, and it will take you to the track start line. Finish a track in first place to win a trophy. As you collect more trophies, other tracks will turn on and open to you. Good luck, and drive fast.
Okay, bro. Let's get some trophies. Crash Code. I already played this phase because, you know, I try and practice before streaming. Okay, let's go. Shit. Oh. Shit. Thank you, God. That was close. A little bit lagging on this game. That's okay right now. Oh shit, 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 shit. First place. That's good. And first place. Booyah. 2 minutes and 21 seconds. Loading, 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 loading. I think I will do one more race and I will finish this string. Pura was second and Pura was the third.
You win a trophy.
Hey, big head.
The more fruit you collect, the faster your heart will go. If you collect and hold 10 Wampa fruit, you'll be juiced up, and your power-up
Juiced up.
will become more potent.
Thank you for your help. Help. Who's Stubbs? Who's Stubbs? Okay, that's my final race before I end this string. I never played this phase. Oh, lagging a little bit. Okay, gets back normal. Ouch! Man, I haven't any fork. Almost. Oh shit. Give me something good, please. Oh shit. Fuck this shit. Okay, something good right now. Take that. Okay, first place. Okay. I will not take that shit because I need to be cautious. No, no, no! Oh my god. Really? Second place. Oh shit. Okay, that's good. I will exit this map because that's my last race. Okay, this was a really quick stream, but whatever. I will do that again in the next stream. Maybe it's today, later, but maybe tomorrow, I don't know. So that's it, guys. If I don't know if I post this on YouTube, but if I post this on YouTube, so if you're seeing this on YouTube, please subscribe and click the like button and check my live on Twitch. And that's it. Bye guys. Bye.